Good morning, guys. We are on another job today. We're doing a roof. Beautiful property. It's hard to see from right here, but I'll take you around so you can kind of see what we're gonna do. So we're doing this lower part of the roof right here. We're not doing the upper part, so that's nice. And take you to the front. So yeah, it's a pretty dirty roof, guys, but should be a good day. Look at our view today, guys. Gorgeous. Gorgeous out here. We're doing this side as well. So yeah, guys, it's gorgeous out here. Really choppy, but this is where we want to be. Places like this. So I'm gonna set you up on the tripod. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall over today, and we'll get started. So enjoy the video. Guys, as you can see, it's turning out really well. This roof is cleaning up really good, so we're gonna have to shoot up top. And we're already done with the side. We got the wall, we got halfway across the front. So I'm gonna shoot up top, and then my tripod isn't working today, so I can't really set you up. I'm gonna have to invest in like a tripod, a good tripod, and a good lens. But man, it's turning out really good. So I'm gonna keep going, and I'll show y'all kind of the progress as we go. All right. We're done, guys. It is 5 o'clock. Long day. Really dirty roof. But we get a gorgeous sunset. The roof turned out amazing, man. I'm super happy with it. Just kind of stepping back to take a look. Let's go over here and check out this other side. It was really bad over here. I'm gonna have to rinse this again because some of that, we got a little bit of overspray. Let me rinse this and then I'll show y'all real quick. Well, guys, we wrapped it up. Everything looks great. Customer was really happy with it. And he actually said that the president of this area, I guess the HOA or whatever it is, stopped by and was asking what we were doing, and he's going to introduce us by email. So he said there's 400 properties on this lake, and he's kind of in charge of all of them, the clubhouse and all that stuff. So beautiful area here. So happy with this one. Me and Dylan killed it. So thank y'all for watching again, guys. I'll edit this video and I'll post it up for you and let you watch it. Hope y'all enjoy it, and we'll see you later.
That's cool, baby.
Peace out, guys.